Electromagnetic induction is the phenomenon whereby a changing magnetic flux induces an EMF, and this would always start with an external magnetic field, which, as we know, is always directed from the north pole of the magnet to the south pole of the magnet, and a conductor that does not have a current passing through it. So what we have here is essentially a wire that is running into the board that is not carrying a current yet. Now, in order to create a changing magnetic flux, we need that wire to move, and that is only made possible by exerting a force on it. So in this case, we are starting by exerting a force on this conductor, and as a result of that force, the conductor moves, which means that it moves through this external magnetic field, and as a result, there's a changing magnetic field, which creates, in essence, or it can be thought of as a magnetic field around this conductor. Now we can use the right-hand wire rule, which says that if we curl our fingers in the direction of the magnetic field, our thumb will point in the direction of the current. And what this then tells us is that by moving this wire upward in this external magnetic field, we are inducing a current that runs into the board in this conductor. Now, it is not necessary to draw a diagram like this every time, because we can use the right-hand dynamo rule. The right-hand dynamo rule says that if you point your index finger in the direction of the external magnetic field and you point your thumb in the direction of the force, so if we say we want to apply a force downward on this object, so we point our index finger in the direction of the magnetic field and we point our thumb in the direction of the force, then our middle finger will indicate the direction of the induced current in that conductor. And so what we can see here is that by us applying the external force here, meaning we rotate this coil, we can induce a current within that coil. This is the principle upon which all generators, also known as dynamos, operate, because what we are doing here is we are converting from mechanical energy, the energy of movement, into electrical energy, obviously, that is created in that current.